right, it's gonna jump now. Just why? Yeah, I know you got. Okay, come, continue, pick it up. Pump, yes. It's not taking line, it's tired already. Just bring it in. Bring it up. Bring it up. Yes. Continue pumping, don't stop.
Is that Evo? You want to swap kayaks?
No, I'm just going back to swap where you guys.
Okay, continue trying. Bring it up.
Yeah, probably cracking the beer.
Okay, take the leader already, come. Up.
Cracking the beer, I'm cracking the flat right here.
Open your arm.
It's a bloody great feeling, isn't it?
Okay, now hold the leader. Grab the leader. Okay. Don't hold the rod. Let go of the rod now. Put the rod down. Okay, now grab the leader. Continue pull. Glide in. Continue glide in. Yes. Okay, it's near you now. Hold the view. Don't be afraid. Watch. Pull tighter. Okay, pull tighter. Make sure the view is underwater before you pull up. Okay, now hold the view. Hold tight. Hold tight first. Okay, put your leg down. Your right leg in the water. Slide the fish up.
Wait, let it.
You won't. Okay, slide the fish up. Hold the other hand.
The other view is the other side. Sharp.
Yes. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Shout one more time. Yeah!